Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Weverse account. So first of all, make sure you're signed in on the account you want to delete, then go to the home page as you can see right here on the app. Then look towards the bottom of the page where you see the little person icon that has My underneath. First of all, you're going to want to click on that. Then you're going to want to look on the top right hand corner where you see the little cog there, that icon. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that next. That's going to bring up the settings page, and once you're there, you'll want to scroll down on that page until you see support, and then it will say help center. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that next. Once you're on this part here, which is customer care, you're going to want to click on one-on-one support. That should be the only option there. Then you'll see submit a request. You're going to want to click on that drop down menu to say what is the type of your inquiry. Click on that drop down, then you'll see delete account. You want to click on that. Then it will bring up this right here. First of all, you're going to want to put in your email address. I'm typing it in now, I won't show it. Make sure it is the correct email address though, otherwise you won't be able to fully process the deletion of your account. So type that in there. Then type in the subject. You want to go ahead and just say delete my account for the subject. And then you want to scroll down past these suggested articles. You don't need to click on any of them. You want to go down where it says the description. Right there, and then what you're going to want to type in there is something along the lines of please delete my account and all the data with it. It's important to emphasize the data as well, because otherwise they'll be able to keep all the stuff you've done on it, maybe your like payment details, etc. You don't want them to be able to keep that, so say delete the account and all the data with it, and then you're going to want to go ahead and submit that. It might come up with a captcha, for instance like the one here, this is like the motorcycles. You guys go and click on them, then scroll down to verify. You're going to need to do that. But once you have done that, what it's going to do is send them the request. It's not going to be an instant deletion. As you'll see there, it says your request has been successfully submitted. So once on their end, their support team, they're going to go ahead and process that request. It might take a few days. It could take quite a long time. Not sure how long it's going to take specifically, but you will get an email to that email account that you have decided to delete, and it will say once it's been deleted, or if there's any problems with it, they'll inquire you. Then you might have to email them back, etc. But it should only take a few days on most occasions. So if you're going to go out and do this, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Weverse app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.